Hello again, viewers and subscribers, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I'm regrowing celery. And you know, when you go to the supermarket and you buy celery, I had no idea that you can regrow it. And so what I did is I cut off the celery, and I guess 3 inches from the bottom. Then what you end up doing is you have to cut off a little bit off of the bottom of, I'll call it a stump, and then you put it in water. And within, I started the one that has a celery growing. I started about, I would say, a couple of weeks ago, and all of a sudden the celery started shooting up from the center, and I was really amazed. Really, I didn't know I could do that. So I was trying to decide whether I was going to put it in a net cup and grow it the cracky style. And then I saw a video yesterday that made me change my mind. And it's because the video I saw, a gentleman was doing the cracky style, and he was growing the celery in buckets. And the celery started to expand, and it broke the net cup, and it broke the top of the bucket. And I said, no, I'm not going to go that route. So I'm going to end up putting that into soil and growing the celery that way. So just wanted to do this video on another little project I'm working on, and I'll do an update to let you know how this grow goes. But until the next video, blessings.